How we doing, guys? Just gonna have a quick look at trying to buy Meta Ruffy or MR token, MR coin, whatever you want to call it, just on CoinMarketCap at the moment. Quick look at the charts. It's sort of been pumping a lot last 3 or 4 days. Obviously have a look into it, do your own research before you invest. 12 million, 24 volume, not a bad market cap. So I think we can get it in a few exchanges. We're going to go ahead and use Pancake Swap. So we're going to scroll down and we're going to copy the BNB Smart Chain. Then we're going to jump over to MetaMask. Quickly log in. Then in your MetaMask browser, you're going to search Pancake Swap.finance. Make sure you spell that correctly. Be careful any links you use. Okay, once that's loaded up, you're going to hit trade, bottom left. Then we're going to select cake. Then we're going to paste the contract we copied earlier. Select. Okay, you may need to tick a box and confirm if it's the first time you've added the token. Slippage is on 15% at the moment. If you need to change that, you hit the gear cog and then 15 and then X to exit and confirm. Connect wallet, MetaMask, connect. Okay, go max, not much in there. Swap, confirm swap, confirm, add MR to MetaMask, add token. There we go, all done. Don't forget to disconnect your wallet. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.